In this video we are going to see how to download and install MySQL on Windows 10 operating system. Open browser, then search for MySQL download. Click on MySQL downloads. Then click on community downloads. Then click on my community server. Here we have three types of download files. One is MSI, another one zip, another one is debug.zip file. I am going with go to download page. Then click on the bottom one, that is MSI installer. Just skip this login or sign up screen, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Notice here download has been started. The size is 324 megabytes. So I am pausing this video until download completes. I have provided the download link in the video description. You can directly go to the link and click on the download this link. MySQL downloaded successfully. Click on this MySQL installer MSI file to start the installation of MySQL on Windows 10. Accept the license by checking this checkbox. Then click on next. Choose the setup type. I am going with full. It is going to install all the products available in the catalog. Those are MySQL Server, MySQL Shell, MySQL Router, MySQL Workbench and much more. Click on next. These are the requirements to install MySQL on Windows. Click on execute to install them. Click on agree, it will install it. Then click on next. Click on yes. See, it is going to install this many products on the Windows operating system. Click on execute. If you want to see the details, click on show details. I am pausing this video until this installation completes. Click on next. Click on next to configure. Click on next. See, this is port number, this is X protocol port. Click on next. Click on next. Provide the password for root user. You want to add user now? Click on this add user. Then click on next. This is the Windows service name and this is the option start the MySQL server at startup, which means whenever the Windows operating system starts, this MySQL server will be started. If we check the checkbox, if you don't want to start the MySQL server at the time of operating system startup, then uncheck this one. I want to start the service at operating system startup. These two options are to run the Windows service account types. Click on next. Execute it. These are the logs. So installation and configuration has been completed successfully. Then click on finish. I am going with the default MySQL router configuration. Provide the password for root user. Click on next. Now MySQL is installing samples and examples. So installation has been completed successfully. If you don't want to start the MySQL shell as well as Workbench, then unselect these two check boxes. If you want to start, then check this box. As of now, I don't want to open MySQL Workbench and shell as well. Click on finish. Now verify MySQL server installed or not by going to services. Services.msc or go to all programs, then search for services. Click on services. Notice here, this is the service name for MySQL server. See, this is the status, it's running under. This is the startup type. See, this is the service name, startup type, its the status is running. If you want to stop it, stop. Click on this one. If you want to pause it. Connect to MySQL server. Click on this MySQL shell or go to MySQL folder. Then open then click on MySQL Workbench to start the Workbench. I am going with MySQL shell. We have connected to MySQL server. So in this video we have covered how to download and install MySQL server on Windows 10 operating system. Then we have verified the MySQL server service status. Then we have connected to MySQL by using MySQL shell. In the next video we will see how to stop and start MySQL on Windows 10 operating system. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.